In this lesson, I want to take a look at using an HTML buffer to bring in graphics. And in my example, I'm going to use Flowics, but this will work with other similar solutions. So here we are in the TriCaster, and I'm going to load the URL that I need into buffer1. So let's go take a look at the Flowics interface so you can understand where to get this URL that we will load. Here's the Flowics interface, and this window down here is showing the output. And just so you can see this work, I'm going to turn on, and you can see there's the CG title appearing in that window. So I could either copy this just by right-clicking copy, paste it over using some kind of remote desktop software like NDI-KVM, or another solution that works is we can also take like a memory stick or a shared network drive and just grab the URL by grabbing the icon here in the web browser and just drag it into the window. And this will create a shortcut of that URL. And then we can rename this to whatever we'd like. So let's call this one Flowics Vizu. And at that point, I don't need this window anymore. And then this is my control window. So let's get the destination URL set up in the TriCaster, and then we can control it from this window for the titles. So here we are back in the TriCaster. I can go to my buffer, hit the plus sign. Now, normally I would hit web browser and I could then type in or paste that URL if that was the way I was going to go, but let's just do a browse instead. And I've gone to that folder on my shared drive, and there is the shortcut link that I saved there. So I'm just going to open that up like any other file. And you'll see that with that URL, it automatically loads that in. And this is now set up as a live link buffer. You can see the little globe icon appearing in the corner. Now, just off to the side here, I'm going to turn the title on just so you can see it appear. And there you can see it says line 1. And then if I take it back off, it goes off the screen. Just so you can see this working side by side. Here's the TriCaster on the left and Flowics on the right. And if I wanted to update this title, let's say I want this to say something else, I'll put the word TriCaster in here, bring the title on, and you can see that title appearing in the TriCaster interface, and then I can bring it back off. And so that gives you an idea how you can use an external CG HTML-based system with your TriCaster using one of the HTML buffers for titling and graphics.